रीत ने तो वो डंडे लगा के निकाल दिया था. I was having social anxiety. I look like an IFA award in this. So cute. And when my children are going to school, I'll give them water in this water bottle. Your stomach will snatch like Kim Kardashian. I hate shapewear. Extremely expensive. I was the happiest girl on the airport. Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. You know when travel with Sar ends, then there's definitely a haul if it's a big city that we've traveled to. Whenever we go to Singapore, there is a haul, okay? Because Singapore में और कुछ करने को है ही नहीं. After a point, you're just shopping. Everywhere you look, there's a shopping mall, and it is a shopper's paradise, especially for certain things. Plus, I love the things I got myself this time. Like they're really unique. They're very beautiful, and I think you're gonna love it. It's not a lot. मैंने बहुत shopping नहीं की, मैंने अच्छी shopping की. But because I had one day, full day where Reeta and I went early to the airport और हम चांगी पे भी अच्छी खासी shopping की है. Like चांगी में ही major damage हुआ है, I must say. And Changi is a beautiful airport. If you're traveling to Australia या कहीं पे दूर हो, I would highly recommend going to like through Singapore Airlines and taking a लंबा layover and doing अच्छा खासा damage at the beginning of your trip only at Singapore Airport, because Singapore's airport has so much to offer, especially near the Jewel Fountain area. That terminal, I think it's Terminal 1 पे major shopping है, and it's such a nicely, beautifully connected airport. So that's that about where we shop. We shopped in the city also. हम 2 दिन extra रुके थे after the cruise was over. Cruise पे भी थोड़ी सारी चीजें मैंने उठाई है, तो ये सारा मैं आपको आज बताने वाली हूँ in this video. अगर आपको interest है देखने कि मैंने क्या खरीदा है from Singapore, then continue watching. If this is the first time you've come onto my channel, you've never seen one of my haul videos, be belted because it's about to get crazy. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, join the Sara squad. I'm sure you're gonna love it here. And with that, let's dive straight into this. Okay, first things first, in Singapore we always go to Charles & Keith. Okay, it's like a shagun, जो जाना है और Charles & Keith तो लेना ही है, क्योंकि the prices you get in Charles & Keith in Singapore is mad. Like I will feel criminal to take it from any other part of the world now. It's like Michael Kors एक बार US में ले लिया ना, तो और कहीं से लोगे तो ऐसा गुनाह लगेगा कि इतना पैसा दे रहे हो. So same way Charles & Keith in Singapore is very like dirt cheap. Like in 15,000 rupees I got 5 pair of footwear, and really good pair of footwear that I will use for the next I don't know how many years. Like I still have my first Charles & Keith chappal I've got. So very good quality stuff. And first day only I got like good amount of flats, because cruise पे मुझे flats पहनने थे. Disney had put us up in a hotel in Singapore, in a Swiss hotel, and Swiss hotel is connected with Raffles City Mall. So first 2 days we had that access to the mall to go ahead and shop whatever we needed. And I did not carry any good flats from home, क्योंकि मेरे पास इतने अच्छे flats थे ही नहीं. और उन्होंने specifically बोला था कि cruise पे comfortable चप्पल लेके आना, क्योंकि of course बहुत चलना होगा, plus carpet से तो heels are not advisable. And I'm a tall girl, I anyways don't wear heels that much. So I had thought only कि first day जाके मैं Charles & Keith से shopping करूंगी. So I will show you all the footwear first. This is the first pair of chappal I've got, which I'm using literally every day. It's already filthy from the bottom, क्योंकि मैं इसको रोज सिंगापुर में भी पहनी हूँ, इसको मैं इंडिया में भी रोज. This is my office chappal now. It is so phenomenally comfortable, and I forgot to get one for my sister. Like she saw and she was like, अरे मेरे लिए भी लाना था. And I was like, oh shit, I completely forgot to get her, because all of us have different sizes. And मम्मी ने बोला उनको नहीं चाहिए, तो मैं भूल गई कि सबरीना को तो लेना चाहिए था मुझे. लाइक मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मैं वापस जाऊँ सिंगापुर और उसके लिए लेके आऊँ. नेक्स्ट प्लेस आई गो, आई विल टेक अ लेओवर ओनली टू गेट सबरीना चप्पल, बिकॉज दिस इज genuinely so comfortable. This particular pair of flats, and all of us creators who were on that cruise, all of us got this flat because it's so comfortable. Like Shivi has it, Urmi has it, all of us got the same chappal. So when I was wearing it, they were like, even I got it, even I got it. It's so comfortable. It comes in 3 colors, black, white and tan. All the 3 classics. मुझे और 2 colors लेने का मन था, but last में रीत was like, चल चुपचाप, अभी और तेरी शॉपिंग नहीं है. जो रीत ने तो वो डंडे लगा के निकाल लिया था. तो इसमें ऐसा बेल्ट का ऐसा हुक भी है, एंड साइड से ये हुक होता है. सो आई यूजुअली डोंट लाइक चप्पल जिसमें मेहनत करना पड़े, बट फॉर द सेक ऑफ हाउ कंफर्टेबल दिस चप्पल इज, आई एम ओके विद दैट. एंड इसकी गादी भी बहुत कंफर्टेबल है. इट्स genuinely the most comfortable pair of footwear only I've used, not even flats. The second pair of flats I got are these. This is like that Hermes chappal ka dupe, and it's brown, it's tan in color on the darker brown. I really like it. It's very muted because this is almost like my skin tone. तो ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने कुछ पहना नहीं है, but sometimes I'm going for that look. This is not as comfortable as that white one, but like for नीचे जाने के लिए, छोटे occasions के लिए या मॉल जाने के लिए वगैरह ठीक है इंडिया में, like यूज हो जाएगी, and beach holidays पे definitely यूज हो जाएगी. तो इतनी comfortable नहीं है, but it's a nice color and I really like this chappal also. You know I love kitten heels, so I got like this literally smallest kitten heel that they had in this beautiful white cream color. It's off white actually, not white pure white. Sometimes you don't want like pristine white, you want off white, and I don't have a lot of good white heels. No, I have two, but they are both open toed and they are very pure white and they are H&M quality. They are not like the best quality. This is really good quality. I mean, for the price you're paying in Charles & Keith Singapore, you want to get it all. So very beautiful with this gold stud detail. ऐसे pointed toe है इसका and it's a kitten heel. बहुत ही प्यारी heel है जो बहुत सारी चीजों के साथ जाएगी, ड्रेसेस के साथ, जीन्स टॉप, ट्राउजर्स, हर चीज के साथ आप इसको स्टाइल कर सकते हो. इट्स अ क्लासिक. नाउ दिस इज अ पेयर ऑफ फुटवेयर दैट आई डिड नॉट वेयर दैट मच एंड आई थिंक मुझे ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल नहीं लगेगी बिकॉज इसमें मैंने साइज 40 लिया है. आई एम यूजुअली साइज 41 एंड ऑल्सो देयर साइजेस डू रन अप एंड डाउन एज पर इंडियन. सो आई एम काइंड ऑफ ग्लैड आई डिडंट बाय फॉर सबरीना नाउ दैट आई एम थिंकिंग अबाउट इट बिकॉज आई विल हैव टू सी इफ आई वांट टू साइज डाउन फॉर हर और साइज अप फॉर हर बिकॉज दिस इज माई साइज डाउन बट इट इज अनकंफर्टेबल. क्योंकि उनके पास 41 नहीं था, मैंने 40 में सेटल कर ली क्योंकि बहुत प्यारी हील है और मुझे गिव अप नहीं करनी थी. तो ऐसा कुछ छोटा इवेंट होगा ना जिधर मैं सिर्फ 15 मिनट के लिए जाके वापस आ जाऊंगी बट मेरे आउटफिट के साथ जा रहा है. दिस इज वन ऑफ दोस फुटवेयर दैट आई विल वेयर. इट्स लाइक अ Chanel dupe. Chanel has such flats like a ballerina but with like tweed material on it and a kitten heel also. Very cute. I would have loved for this ballerina not to have any heel but they didn't have that option. They had ballerinas very flimsy material with no heel and I didn't want that. So this is also beautiful, very girly, very feminine pair of footwear that I got. And lastly we've got this black pair of heel. Again kitten heel, open back situation. It's comfortable though. ये मैंने क्रूज की रात को जो गाला नाइट का डिनर था उसके लिए खरीदा एंड उसी रात मैंने पहन भी लिया था इसको. तो काफी कंफर्टेबल थी. फुल नाइट आई वाज वेरी कंफर्टेबल इन दीज. इट्स अ satin material so it's very nice, like it goes with your shiny shimmery dresses. And I also bought the dress I was wearing on gala night from Raffles City Mall that very day जब मैं shopping को निकली थी. So this was all I got from Charles & Keith. I didn't get any bag this time because I have a lot of bags. We recently saw my bag collection. My bag wardrobe is already overflowing so I didn't want to but I have bought bags. They are just not from Charles & Keith. Now coming to the dress I got for the gala night dinner जो मैंने सिंगापुर के ही वो मॉल से खरीदा. तो मैं लेके गई थी वो रोज वाला ड्रेस जो मैंने लास्ट डे पे डिज्नी में पहना था ना क्रूज पे. मैं वो ड्रेस लेके गई थी एंड दैट वाज माय ऑप्शन टू वेयर ऑन गाला नाइट बट समहाउ व्हेन आई सॉ दिस ड्रेस आई जस्ट फेल इन लव एंड आई फेल्ट लाइक बिकॉज इट्स लाइक अ गाला डिनर christening of the cruise. The vibe would be very like fancy and people from not only Asia like American YouTubers like 6,700 influencers were on that ship and trust me I was intimidated. Like I was having social anxiety even though I don't have social anxiety क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था इतने सारे लोग आ गए एक साथ एक जगह पे और मोस्टली सबको मैं जानती हूँ. तो ऐसा लग रहा था किससे बात करूँ किससे नहीं करूँ. ऐसे मतलब बात करूंगी मेरी अधूरी कॉन्वर्सेशन रह जाएंगी फिर कोई और आ जाता था. ऐसा लग रहा था मैं इवेंट पे हूँ बट मैं 4 दिन इस इवेंट पे रहने वाली हूँ. तो फर्स्ट नाइट वो जो गाला नाइट का था ना मुझे बहुत एंग्जाइटी हो रही थी. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था आई विल बी अंडर ड्रेस्ड इन दैट ब्लैक रोज वाला ड्रेस जो मेरे पास था जो मैंने लास्ट दिन पे पहना था. ऑल्दो नाउ दैट आई लुक इन हाइंडसाइट आई नेवर नीडेड टू बाय दिस ड्रेस बिकॉज दैट वुड हैव आल्सो लुक्ड ब्यूटीफुल बिकॉज एवरीवन वाज वेरी चिल ड्रेस्ड. Everyone was dressed like as if they are already on the cruise. Nobody was dressed fancy. So I thought like this is the vibe I should go for, like super. Like when I wore this, although I felt really beautiful, like it's stunning. I look like an IFA award in this. Like पूरा मेरे body को अच्छे से hug करता है in the right places. It's super sequined. It's from a Korean fashion house, and I must tell you that the fabrics in that Korean fashion house was like I want to go to Korea to shop fashion more than skincare because Koreans have really good quality fabrics in their stores. It is expensive, it's not cheap like China, but it is very good quality. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छे लग रहे थे बहुत सारी चीजें in that store, but they were all so expensive कि मैं कुछ एक ही ले सकती थी and ये मेरे size में भी था. Like otherwise if size नहीं हो रही थी तो they were like we'll make to order and I was like make to order का time किसके पास है? आज मेरा गाला नाइट है तो मुझे आज के हिसाब से ड्रेस चाहिए. So this was fitting me, it was looking great on me and even Reet said that if this is the vibe you want to go for then go for it and I looked beautiful. I loved how I was looking that night. I felt confident in this. I feel like if I would have worn the rose dress I would constantly keep feeling like I'm not enough. That's just I'm being vulnerable here, like you know, even as an influencer I feel that way a lot of times because there's just so many other people in the room that you feel like you're not enough. So but this dress made me feel gorgeous, feel beautiful, hugged me in the right places and I feel like I did justice and इसको मैं वापस पहनूंगी बहुत occasions पे क्योंकि ये महंगा है और मुझे बहुत अच्छा भी लगा है. तो I feel like उस रात इसको जस्टिस नहीं मिली बिकॉज दूसरे लोग एकदम चिल ड्रेस थे. कोई और अवार्ड सेरेमनी होगी तो यू विल सी मी वेयर दिस अगेन बिकॉज आई हैव अ वॉशिंग मशीन एंड आई हैव वॉश्ड इट. ऑल्दो टू गो टू से दैट ओनली दैट गाला नाइट आई वाज फीलिंग लाइक स्ट्रेस्ड एंड एंग्शियस बट उसके बाद आई हैड द बेस्ट टाइम ऑन द डिज्नी क्रूज. लाइक वंस आई मेट एवरीवन एंड स्पोक टू एवरीवन, everybody on the cruise from not just from India but from other countries was so warm, so chill. After that when we were on the cruise so there was no anxiety at all. Everyone was having a great time. Every time we used to bump into each other in corridors, we were talking to each other and it was amazing. Like ऐसा लग रहा था ऐसे बड़ा सह परिवार इंडिया से उठ के आ गया because everywhere you look our Indian creators were there and I knew everyone and everyone I love but it was just that the first day I didn't know कि इतने सारे लोग आने वाले. You know, like you go on an event and you feel like I don't know how you can relate, but if as a creator you go to an event, you feel like हाँ 2-3 लोग creators होंगे जिनको मैं जानती हूँ, बाकी लोग को मैं नहीं जानती होंगी. But you go and you see आप सबको जानते हो, तो ऐसा एकदम से आप सडनली डर जाते हो. तो वो फर्स्ट गाला नाइट मेरे लिए वैसा था. बट उसके बाद द क्रूज वाज तो फैबुलस. क्रूज में तो इतनी मजा आई. आप देख सकते हो हमारा क्रूज का व्लॉग कि वी हैड अ लॉट ऑफ फन ऑन द क्रूज एंड वी वर लाइक इन द लास्ट डे तो वी बिकेम वन बिग इंडियन फैमिली सीइंग द वर्ल्ड कप एंड लाइक cheering for India and all the other nationalities were looking at us taking our videos because हम बता रहे थे कि हम इंडिया से आए और इंडिया जीत गई वर्ल्ड कप. आज तो पूरा कॉरिडोर हमने उठा दिया था 1 बजे रात को क्रूज में. So it was a lot of fun. So overall my cruise was amazing and from Disney we got a lot of merchandise that they gave us for free like as part of their Disney Adventure Club which we are so like grateful for because I mean Disney kids, we grew up as 90s kids. हम लोग बड़े हुए Disney देख के. So it was such an honor to be on that cruise ship and to get all this merchandise for free. But we also went ahead and purchased more merchandise. Reet got this Mickey cap that you must have seen. It's so cute, this Mickey cap. We just got, we were like, oh, in the future when we take our kids and we go to Disneyland, we'll have merchandise for ourselves and then our kids can wear like, you know, little princess costumes. So Reet got this Mickey Mouse cap. He's never been to a Disneyland, so this was his first like Disney experience. मैं तो अभी at this point बहुत सारे Disneyland गई हूँ. But I got myself this Ratatouille on the shoulder. I wouldn't say it's my favorite movie because I have so many Disney favorite movies. It's one of my favorites. I was confused कि मैं हे लूँ मोआना वाला कि मैं Ratatouille लूँ. But the Ratatouille was just so cute. So basically there's a magnet और आप magnet अपने कपड़े के नीचे ऐसे लग सकते हो and then Ratatouille, so cute. Ratatouille sitting on my shoulder. And the first day, second day, you know, I was seeing all these Korean kids like go around and have this on their shoulder and I was like, this is so cute. Like where are these people getting this? क्योंकि मुझे नहीं पता था ये कौन सी दुकान में मिल रहा है क्योंकि cruise ship इतनी बड़ी है. Then finally I saw like Samantha Reddy's son was having it and I was like, babe, where did you get this? And then she was like, under the castle you have that castle collection shop, वहाँ मिलता है. तो जिम के बाद रीता और मैं गए and second last day पे we got this and trust me to wear this to every Disneyland that I will go from here on from now because I couldn't wear it that much on the cruise, so I will wear it in other Disneylands. And the last thing I got from the Disney cruise ship is the Baymax zipper. This also Reet got for himself, not for me, but it's now lying in this house and he's gone to Assam, so guess who's using it? Big Hero 6 was his favorite movie, but when he showed me, I also loved it. So we both have this thing that we show each other animated movies. It's our stress buster. So whichever animated movies he's grown up watching, he shows me, I show him all my animated. हम लोग ने साथ में मिलके इतनी animated movies देखे हैं ना, तो that's our thing only. And then to be on the Disney cruise ship was like epic. Like we had so much fun. We didn't watch any movie on the cruise and Reet was last day सुनाओing me कि एक पिक्चर नहीं देख के आए हम. तो it's okay because Big Hero 6 रात को लगती थी and रात को हम game night करते थे शिवी और अंकुर के साथ, तो हमको टाइम नहीं मिलता था. But yeah, he puts iced tea in this sipper, Impulse iced tea, and he has his iced tea from this sipper. And now I have not been using it that much, but I should. There should be water. And it's like a water bottle. So basically put it in your gala. I hope it doesn't get too dirty. So then when my children are going to school, I'll give them water in this water bottle. हम लोग कितनी बचत कर रहे थे. अभी से हम लोग ने इतनी सारी चीजें खरीद ली है उनके लिए, तो we don't have to buy. Who am I kidding? I'm going to shop so much when I have kids. Chappal done, Disney merch done. Now we are coming to like cutesy accessories and makeup that I got. So Sephora is one place. Again in Singapore, you get all the brands like US. Singapore is like the US of Asia Pacific for us. कि अगर आप US नहीं जा सकते, आप सिंगापुर जाओ, आपको जो भी brands खरीदने आप खरीद सकते हो. And honestly, it's better than US. I don't like US. I do not like US itna, and I've been to Singapore like 3-4 times at this point. So I do love Singapore. You get House Labs also. So I love, this is the best foundation there is right now in the world, and I truly believe it. The foundation I have on my skin right now is the House Lab Triclone foundation. मैं हमेशा बोलती थी कि my wedding foundation would be the Dior Forever Glow, but now it's been replaced to this one. This is matte. It gives you a blurring look. It's full coverage. It's beautiful and it has so many shades. So mom and I both love it, and the ingredients in this are a lot better than the Dior one also. So I was seeing this ingredient video and this has great ingredients. तो ये वाला मम्मी यूज करती है in the shade medium cool, और मेरा shade मैं इधर डाल दूंगी. अगर आप US में रहते हो या सिंगापुर जा रहे हो and you want a good foundation, it is expensive. I think $53 or $56 something. So 6,000-7,000 rupees almost in that price point, but worth it. Absolutely worth it. If you want to just invest in a good foundation, if your शादी is coming, if you just like wearing foundation every day, if you have a lot of marks and आपको छुपाने, आपको अच्छा base product चाहिए, this is it. So House Labs by Lady Gaga, she did it really good with this foundation. For myself, I got the concealer, the Triclone Skin Tech Concealer, because Soumya Michu told me that the concealer is also good. She also got it Singapore से, तो मैंने भी अपना shade ले लिया 32 medium golden. ये मैंने अब तक try नहीं किया है, तो I don't know, but foundation बहुत अच्छा है, तो मैं उम्मीद कर रही हूँ कि ये भी अच्छा होगा. Honestly, I haven't tried this, so I don't know, but this is the shade I got. It's 32 medium golden. I got my mom the Kosas concealer because she loves the Kosas concealer. I don't like the Kosas concealer at all, but she loves it. She has oily skin and this works really well for her. मेरी dry under eyes है, मेरी crease बहुत easily हो जाती है. उनकी भी होती है, उनकी तो mature skin है, but उनको ये concealer पसंद आया. मुझे उनके लिए भी House Labs लेना था, but I was scared of the shade match, तो मैंने उनका वाला ही ले लिया. Kosas उनके पास है, मैंने US से उनके लिए लाया था. उनको shade एकदम perfect होता है 07N and it works perfectly for her. So I was like, you know what, just let me get her a refill. Let's not experiment with a new shade that doesn't work for her, because if it doesn't work for her, Sabrina doesn't apply makeup इतना ज़्यादा, then वो उसको भी नहीं दे सकती हूँ मैं, फिर वो waste हो जाता है product. I got 2 mini perfumes because when I travel, I don't like to carry full size. So I got Burberry Goddess. I've actually never used Burberry Goddess, but I've heard so many good things, and you know I love Burberry perfumes. Burberry Her and Burberry Black are my favorite perfumes of all time. So I thought I would get Goddess का mini just to smell like something new on a travel. Probably आज मैंने वैसे भी perfume नहीं लगाया. Let's see. Ooh, nice. It smells like you're in an expensive mall. It smells expensive. That's how I could like describe it. So just a mini for my travels is what I got. Usually these minis are not long lasting, so you have to throw them in the bag and then like keep reapplying, and then it gets over also fast, which is maybe their marketing strategy, I don't know. And I got Rare ka perfume. Now this perfume smells amazing, very beautiful, feminine, and has a nice sandalwood and cedarwood kind of a base, but it's not long lasting. Like you can see, मैंने अभी सिंगापुर से आई हूँ, मेरी आधी bottle खत्म हो गई because I keep reapplying it, but it's a beautiful, very fresh perfume. So I've put it in my office bag so that I can like keep reapplying this perfume in the evening when, you know, I'm tired and I just want a freshening up. So I use it like a mist almost. Then of course I have so many blushes, but I need to get a blush if I see a blush. Like I saw the Patrick Ta's new shades. He launched new shades in his blushes. This will be my wedding blush, you guys. Like this is the blush I will apply on my wedding day. Not this shade, but this formula, because I have She's Flushed, that color, and this is She Knows Who She is the color of this blush. So मैंने already ये formula use किया, मुझे पता है formula banging है, इसका बहुत long wearing formula है, and this packaging is also stunning, and it basically comes with a cream as well as a powder. It's very long lasting. Like you can apply it on foundation, it makes your makeup last really long, your blush will stay till the end of the day, and then you double up with the powder and it's beautiful. Now this shade would usually work for somebody who's really dark complexion. It's going to look so stunning on you, like if you have really like dark skin, but I got it for the times I'm tan. Like when I'll go to like a beach holiday, I'll be really tan. I want to apply this shade of a blush. Abhi agar main lagaungi to probably it'll look like a bruise on my face. So you have to be very careful handed with a shade like this, but it's so stunning. Like it just like looked only so stunning on the pan that I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get it. So these are also very expensive, like $50 or something, but you know what, it's worth it. Like this is like expensive makeup I just cannot dupe for you. This is going to be like my holy grail of holy grail, and मैं उसको हमेशा use करूँगी. ये one of those things है. So got a new shade in this. Gonna keep it, not use it like immediately. Probably when I go on a beach holiday. And I got one for my daily use. This is the Black Honey Pop from Clinique. I love the Black Honey color from Clinique, and this is their cheek pop. So it's basically again a blush in such a pretty floral packaging है इसकी अंदर से, और shade भी बहुत प्यारा है इसका. And their cheek pops are basically like a powder blush, and I'll just apply a little bit on top. I love that floral embossing. It's a very nice like color which is like mulberry, but it's not going to be super pigmented in one go. So office ke liye it's really good. Like it's muted, and I love Clinique products because I feel like they're very skin safe. Actually even I can't see the shade. I think there's a film on it, so you have to sort of like break it with your hand. Like can you see this color on my finger? You'll have to like break into the film because जो sample उधर पड़ा था वो तो बहुत used था. फिर मैंने वो cheeks पे लगाया तो बहुत प्यारा लग रहा था. तो ये अभी थोड़ा use करूंगी तो वो थोड़ा melt हो जाएगा. But just for everyday use is what I picked this up. I liked it, so I got it. There's the last shade left. ये सारा sold out, तो उसको drawer खोल के मेरे लिए निकालना पड़ा ये वाला shade. So I'm happy that I got it. Then Reet and I went to Chinatown, and I saw of course these cute clips in Chinatown which were so adorable. So I got them. This has Kaya toast on it. तो ये जो हम 2 दिन extra रुके थे वो मैंने vlog नहीं किया. We were just enjoying our time, like personal time without vlogging. And I've vlogged Singapore so many times, and आपको जो तो मैंने दिखाया है वो सभी हम देखने गए थे वापस. तो Chinatown में मैंने ये Kaya toast वाली मस्त cute सी furry clip ली है, and same I have this panda. If you remember in Japan also I got this panda hair clip. So अभी वो मेरी एक घुम हो गई है तो एक ही hair clip बची है मेरे पास, but I got the same thing in a clip. Very adorable furry clips. You don't get these in India right now, so I was like before it comes to India I should have it, because once it comes to India everyone's going to be wearing it. And this tiger balm is so like an essential. If I go to Thailand or Singapore, you have to pick up a tiger balm. It's like absolutely a must have. And this tiger balm जो मैंने last time Thailand से लिया था Koh Samui से, वो अभी तक मेरा चल रहा था. तो अभी I have a new one. I have an obsession obsession कि जब मेरी body दुखती है, I always keep a tiger balm in my bag because you never know when you'll sprain your ankle or sprain your body का any part and you need tiger balm. It's like an SOS. Like tiger balm and axe oil is always in my bag because sinus and body pain, it follows me wherever I go. So a tiger balm is with me all the time. Now we come to the fashion category. We have bags, okay? I'm keeping it for the last. In the fashion category, I went to Uniqlo in Raffle City Mall. क्रूज पे जाने से पहले ही मैंने ये शॉर्ट्स ले लिए थे. मुझे अच्छे शॉर्ट्स चाहिए थे, कॉटन के शॉर्ट्स है बिकॉज मेरे पास अच्छे शॉर्ट्स है नहीं. तो कॉटन शॉर्ट्स वेरी लाइक ऐसा इलास्टिक वेस्ट, तो वेरी कंफर्टेबल, ब्लू एंड व्हाइट, सो वेरी sailor coded for the cruise. Soft material because Uniqlo materials you can't go wrong with. So it has pockets and it's very, very comfortable. I also got this white cropped shirt from Uniqlo because again, white is an essential in my wardrobe. I wear a lot of white and brands need a lot of white, so I always get white. This was like a fit I wore on the embarkation day. Okay, white shirt and blue shorts. It was so cute and very sailor coded, and that's a cropped shirt. It's not a full shirt. I have a lot of full shirts. Uniqlo से मैंने सिर्फ 2 चीजें ली थी. रीत ने ज्यादा shirts लिया था, मैंने इतना कुछ लिया नहीं था. And that is it for the shopping जो मैंने जाने से पहले किया. अभी आने के बाद I went to a couple of clothing stores. I went to this store called Love Bonito. It's like a female clothing brand and got some pieces. I asked ChatGPT what are the good stores I should go to as a girl to shop from, and of course it suggested Love Bonito. So I don't know where else in the world. I've seen this somewhere else also, but मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा कौन सी दूसरी कंट्री में मैंने ये ब्रांड देखा है. बट अच्छे पीसेस थे उनके पास. इट्स वेरी वेरामोडा ओनली वाला एनर्जी वो दे रहा था. ये बहुत ही सॉफ्ट मटेरियल का ग्रीन टॉप है. इतना प्यारा फैब्रिक है इसका, इतना सॉफ्ट है, एंड इट्स वन शोल्डर विद दिस ट्विस्टेड शोल्डर डिटेल एंड वेरी वेरी क्यूट टॉप. सो आई कैन ऑफ कोर्स वेयर इट फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ ओकेजन्स. आई जस्ट गॉट दिस एज अ एवरीडे. मेरे ना एक्चुअली कपड़े खत्म हो गए थे. मैंने मोस्टली क्रूज के हिसाब से कपड़े खरीदे थे एंड कपड़े लेके गई थी इंडिया से. मैं सिर्फ क्रूज के हिसाब से लेके गई थी, तो लास्ट 2 दिन में मेरे पास कुछ था नहीं पहनने के लिए. सो दैट वाज लाइक अ रीजन टू गो शॉपिंग फॉर मी. ओह, दिस वन मोर शॉर्ट्स फ्रॉम Uniqlo. दिस इज अ ब्राउन पेयर ऑफ शॉर्ट्स. दिस, तो you can see the price tag is still there, so I have not yet worn it, but it's the same range, like elastic पीछे. It has pockets, lots of pockets, very functional and very cute. You wear it again with the white shirt, it'll look really nice. Love Bonito से मैंने ये भी लिया था. This is like a strapless spaghetti crop top, like a sports bra, but I wouldn't wear it to the gym. It's more like you can wear this and layer a shirt on it or wear it with high-waisted pants. It has like those padded pads already inside, so you don't need to wear a bra with this. It's like those bra tops, but like a bra crop top. And I think green is my color now. I wear a lot of green and a lot of brown, so very forest aesthetic. Then this also I got from Love Bonito. I haven't even opened it because I didn't end up wearing this on the trip. This is a pair of denim shorts again for my beachy holidays. It's perfect. It's more like that chadda feel, like it is more longer. It's not those booty shorts. I don't like a lot of booty shorts because my booty is too big and then it goes inside and it's very uncomfortable. So this is like comfy. You know, I'm the beach girl that just wants to be comfortable. I am very rarely the beach girl that is like, oh, pretty, like I'm wearing dainty jewelry and full face of makeup and standing at the beach and taking, no. I am going swimming. I am going to sit at the beach and get a tan, and I am going to go underwater and dive, and that's the kind of beach girl I am. तो उसके बाद जब वो swimming costume पे पूरा sand वैंड सब लग गया है, तो I just want to wear comfortable चड्डा and like the spaghetti top and just come out, or a loose top and come out. So that's my beach aesthetic. So this is perfect for my beach. You can see how big it is. It's loose for me. It's not my waist size. It's loose and it's comfy and it's perfect for my beach holidays. So I saw it, I got it because India में मुझे अच्छे beach shorts मिलते नहीं हैं. Shorts ही नहीं मिलते मुझे अच्छे वाले. Next and last fashion brand I shopped at. So we did Uniqlo, we did Love Bonito, and now we did Oysho. Now this is a brand which is sister brand of Bershka and Zara. So it's only available in Dubai, in Singapore and in like some countries. अभी मैंने इसका नाम बहुत सुनने लगी थी, और सिंगापुर में भी ये सिर्फ एयरपोर्ट पे है, सिर्फ जूल उधर. तो जब मैं जूल फाउंटेन देख के बस निकली, वहां पर मुझे ये Oysho दिख गया, and I was like, let me try some fabrics from here. So there was another brand I wanted to try is Lululemon, and मैंने Lululemon भी बहुत सुना है, but it was like Aloe. You remember my LA vlog? अगर LA का vlog देखा है, I went to Aloe because everyone and their mothers in like influencers of LA wears Aloe, and it's such a hyped brand. But when I went to Aloe and I saw the fabrics and touched it myself, it did not feel worth 25,000-30,000 for one sports bra and one jacket and all. It was just absolutely not worth it, and ridiculous pricing. Okay, the same way for Lululemon, the pricing is like 14,000-15,000 for a legging. And honestly, अभी इंडिया में बहुत अच्छे gym brands आ गए. I have been doing the series day 1, day 2, day 3 of gym wear finds that are not Adidas and Nike. If you see my Instagram reels, you know I do this series. So you should follow me on Instagram for that. But you know कि इंडिया में बहुत अच्छे brands हैं जिसकी leggings बहुत comfortable है and fabrics बहुत अच्छे हैं, and इतना ही क्या कर लेना है आपको legging पहन के, घर में और gym में ही पहनना है. तो I did not want to buy Lululemon, and this brand is like a little more affordable than Lululemon. Here the pricing is $100. So this is 73,000. No, what? 73? 7,300. So this is half the price of Lululemon. This particular legging I picked up because of this feel over here. Can you see this band idhar ka, ye Oysho ka? It is like a strong band. So if you pick it up and like put it over your butt, your stomach will snatch like Kim Kardashian. Like it is going to give you that very, very snatched feel on your stomach, and it gives you that hip lift because of the way it's stitched. Now your butt looks very lifted and looks really nice. So I love my butt like looking very nice in the gym, like juicy. So this is one legging that I was like, okay, I really like this, and it has like a flared bottom. So very like a premium legging, but premium for like worth it. Not 20,000 worth it, but 7,000. ठीक है, I can like pay 7,000 for a pant. तो वैसा वाला feel था. I also got a sports bra from there. I really like sports bras where you can put a buckle पीछे. So it has a very nice like 4 buckles है पीछे, क्योंकि then you know after you're done with the gym you're so sweaty, तो वो sports bra निकालने में मेरी आधी जान चली जाती है. And after a good arm workout, it's tough to remove like the sports bra. So the back buckle is very convenient to just like snap your back and put it. And it has a crisscross back. It's padded really nicely. The pads are not one of those which will keep moving. If you want a similar bra, Naked by Nykaa has a similar sports bra which is padded and has a piche ka bra buckle situation. It's very good for my heavy chested girls. You're gonna love such a sports bra like this which has a buckle at the back. This one is in the size large and I paid $99 for this. So $100 for this also. So conversion is 73 Indian rupees. मुझे forex पे पड़ा था तो 7,000 के आसपास. Got another very comfy pant. So this is different than that. It's more like buttery soft, very like luxurious buttery soft fabric, and this is exactly what Lululemon is known for, like buttery soft fabrics. Over here at the waist you can see it has like this crisscross design. I literally purchased this और वहीं पे मैंने changing room में change करके airport पे यही पहना था और इसी को पहन के मैं इंडिया वापस आया क्योंकि इतनी comfortable थी. It's high waisted, very stretchable and very, very comfy pant. So that's why there's no price tag, but I think it's similar in pricing. I got the size extra large in this because I like to be loose and breezy and easy going in these clothes. So I think that's also same, only $100. Everything is 100. My bill overall in Oysho was $359. So I think this is $50. This is a tank top with like again inbuilt bra. You know, these are very trending. I have a similar one. अगर आपको इंडिया में ऐसा ब्रांड में चाहिए तो Air clothing, Air gym wear मैंने किया in my gym series has similar tank tops which I wear like blue and pink जो मैं पहनती हूँ मेरा tank top vlogs में. That is from Air and it is padded. It's actually even better quality than this because it again snatches you really nicely. This is a more loose fabric, so this I can wear even नीचे जाने के लिए. This is not really for the gym. It's not going to give me any hold and like support in the gym, but it's great for like going down and out and about. Again, I wore this at the airport and came back to India wearing this. It has a crisscross back and it has pads and it's a crop top. It's not a full length top, it's a crop top. Okay, lastly I got the Love Bonito shapewear. ये मैं बताना आपको भूल गई क्योंकि मैंने खुद इसको देखा भी नहीं है क्योंकि ये you know वो बिलिंग काउंटर पे जो चीजें रखी होती है उसमें से I picked it up. I will fit into this. Looks good quality. I got the size extra large. Gonna be effort to fit into this. I hate shapewear, but some outfits just need a good shapewear. I got this because it's basically like shorter shapewear. Most of my shapewear is very long. I love underneath का shapewear also, but वो थोड़ा लंबा है तो अगर मेरी एकदम short ड्रेसेस होती है ना तो उसमें फिर उसको ऐसा ऊपर करना पड़ता है, फिर ब्लड सर्कुलेशन रुक जाता है थाइस पे. तो दिस इज नाइस बिकॉज़ इट्स ऑलरेडी शॉर्ट सो इट विल बेसिकली जस्ट कवर माय बट एरिया. एंड लेट्स सी, I'll wear it and I'll give you my review on this probably in a vlog. Coming to my favorite part of the video, my bags. You know I love my bags, okay? I love buying bags for myself, for my friends. Every time I go, like I went last time to Charles & Keith in Singapore, I got Purnima and Tamanna so many bags. They were like free में मिल रहा था क्या, like इतने bags. Like till today both of them they like cherish those bags and I love bags because they make for such a good gift. So one of them is a gift, one of them is for me. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 bags in total, which is very good for me, okay? I have gone to Charles & Keith and bought like 10 bags also before. So this is now from a new brand which I discovered is also affordable-ish in Singapore. It's called Pedro. It is not as cheap as Charles & Keith. It is a little more premium. So it's more premium but affordable for Singapore pricing because it's again a Singapore brand. The first bag I got, which I am so like, it was more like ये लेना ही पड़ेगा मुझे क्योंकि I do not have a good black small bag. You know that very well. Every time I go, I need a small black bag like this क्योंकि कोई outfits पे black bag की जरूरत होती है. Sabrina recently gifted me a cute little black bag which I wore even on the gala night. But अभी I wanted like this with gold hardware and when I saw this, it was kind of perfect for like these dainty dinners and events. It's very nice. तो एकदम perfect black bag है. इतना प्यारा इसका lock है Pedro का. बहुत अच्छी quality का leather है. By the way, it's really good. It's feeling better than Coach also. Like the leather quality quality feels better than Coach and your Michael Kors and stuff. Yeah, it's like Pollen, a lot like Pollen, yeah. Because Pooja got Pollen in Paris. You saw we went to Pollen in Paris. It's a cute bag. In fact, it even has a zip inside and has a compartment inside. Beautiful functionality. It's got a long strap and you can wear it shorter strap like this, or you can wear it longer strap. जैसे पहनना है पहन सकते हो. बहुत प्यारा छोटू सा ब्लैक बैग है. मुझे प्राइसेस याद नहीं है सबके, बट अगर मुझे बिल से मिल जाएंगे तो मैं ऊपर डाल दूंगी. The next bag I got from Pedro is actually a gift for a friend. It is a gorgeous wine bag. I loved this and I saw this and I was like, what a lovely color, and also the shape is really nice because ये तो ऐसा उन्होंने दिया है, but इसको ऐसे नहीं पहनते हैं. इसको ये ऐसे हो जाएगा, ये bend होगा, and then you can see the silver hardware. It's going to join with each other and it becomes like this. So it's so convenient. You can open it, you can fill your bag का सामान जितना भरना है भरो, and then you buckle it like this and then you carry it to your events. It's so cute, it's so petite, it's so dainty. Again, very good quality leather. Like I'm saying, it's like Pollen leather. Good quality leather, very soft, very, very premium looking, premium feel, and it has silver hardware, which is again unique, and the color is so nice. Like the color is really nice. मुझे अपने लिए भी ये लेना था, but then I was like, Saro, you have too many bags, let's control. So I only got the bag that I actually needed, which is the black bag. That's it. And another bag that I wanted, आप लोगों को पता है मुझे कब से एक अच्छा ऑफिस का tote bag चाहिए. So this is a black leather tote bag from Pedro. It's got a very nice soft feel leather, which doesn't feel like it's going to peel off very easily. It's good quality. It's extremely spacious. You can fill your Jahan in this bag. It comes with this like hook over here, तो आप ये hook कर सकते हो इधर and आप close कर सकते हो आपके bag को. Security reasons के लिए there is no zip unfortunately, but there's a hook and it comes with this extra pouch, and अंदर pouch लगाने के लिए they've given this attachment. तो ये pouch आप इधर attach कर सकते हो and इसमें आप अपना makeup, पैसा, जो भी छोटी मोटी चीजें रखनी है, you can keep in this. And I thought this would make for a really good like office bag, so I got this from Pedro. This I remember I paid 15,000 for this bag, so for 15,000 it's a good deal. Good, spacious, really really spacious. Slightly on the heavier side because I feel like अगर मैं बहुत इसमें सामान भर दूँ ना तो ये बहुत भारी हो जाता है, तो थोड़ा सा heavy है, इतना heavy भी नहीं है, चलेगा. Like I can use it, so if I'm going on beach holidays and stuff, I'll wear this because right now I'm not taking this to office course. So I got this. Okay, finally I'll tell you what the scene was. The last 3 days when I was in Singapore, it was mainly for chilling and shopping, and we were staying in Marina Bay Sands. So Marina Bay Sands has this massive mall which is the Marina Mall, and over there Reet and I were like window shopping till our room was getting ready. And in the window shopping, I have taken him everywhere that he hates to go. Louis Vuitton, Bottega, YSL, you name it, and we have gone window shopping inside and checked out bags because looking for my perfect office tote bag. And हर जगह I saw everything. So LV on the go, आपको पता है मुझे कब से LV on the go लेना था, but that size is not available even in Singapore. I think they've discontinued the size because they said they've discontinued in Asia. मुझे नहीं लगता मुझे यूरोप में भी मिलेगा, but then I didn't want to settle because LV वाली मेरे को ऐसे बकवास बैग दिखा रही थी just for the sake of it. Then I was like इतना सस्ता तो नहीं है कि मैं कुछ भी ले लूं. So I was like can. Then I liked one YSL bag which was a small bag. I'll pop a picture here. Small bag, but it could fit everything but still feel impractical, and if I would overdo it then the leather would start peeling. So again, not worth the money if it's not that functional. So again, canned that. Then I loved this Bottega bag. I literally like, this was my perfect bag. It had this small Bottega weave. It was beautiful. The color was amazing. It was literally fresh off the runway. Just had arrived in Singapore, so it was extremely expensive. Like I would have to think really long. So I really loved it, and I was like, you know what, I took the SA's number, the SA took my number, and I was like, I love it, I'm gonna come back for it. क्योंकि मैं 3 दिन हूँ सिंगापुर में, मैं 3 दिन सोचती हूँ फिर मैं वापस आती हूँ. उन 3 दिनों में मेरे फैमिली फ्रेंड्स ने सबने कन्विंस कर दिया कि you don't need such an expensive bag, so can, because that was way beyond what I spend normally even on a designer bag. So it's beyond my budget also. Then I was like, you know what, forget it, I don't need it, it's okay. I forgot about the bag, we've forgotten, I don't need a bag. Finally last day I went to Pedro, I saw this bag, Pedro से ये bag ले लिया, and this means I have an office bag. Right now I'm sorted, now I don't need another bag for office. Then we go to the airport, we're coming to India, and when you're at the airport, you look here, you look there, you look here, and then I saw in Prada that there was this bag on the counter. I was like, ये मैंने क्यों नहीं देखा? Because I did enter Prada, but I didn't अच्छे से look around. I just entered, I showed Reet some things on the counter, like the bag charms and all, and मैं निकल गई. And then I saw this and I was like, I went inside. Reet अपने phone पे, हम लोग की flight को 1.5 hour है boarding के लिए, literally 1 hour before my flight. Like we were towards the gate. This Prada store was literally next to our gate. He's standing outside the store. I've gone inside just to look at this bag and I'm looking at it. The leather's beautiful, the color's attractive, it's got a zip, it's a tote bag, everything is perfect. Then I ask for the price क्योंकि मुझे लगा luxury bag का tote bag यही price में होगा क्योंकि LV on the go भी काफी महंगा, it's not going to be cheap. And the price was perfect. It's exactly what I usually spend on a luxury bag. I was like, are you sure? Are you sure? मैंने 3 बार उसको पूछी, मैंने 3 बार conversion की and he was like, this is a very 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 well loved bag. We have only one piece over here. Like जो counter पे था, it was on the counter. मतलब somebody must have seen it before this also and not got it. So it was on the counter and they didn't even have one in the back. And he showed me in Singapore they have only 3, one in every store. And in like he was showing me all the stock in Rome, in Shanghai. Not like I was going to Shanghai or Rome anytime soon, but he was showing me that the stock everywhere is 0 because Prada is like global. So he couldn't have India ka data because here they have a franchise. They don't really have the original Prada in India. So he couldn't show me India ka stock, but he was showing me everywhere else like they have the stock is like almost 0 or 1, 0 or 1. So very very limited stock. Then I told Reet tum andar aa jao. You know, I think I'm buying this and he रीत वाज लाइक वो बाहर खड़ा था इतनी देर तक जब तक मैं ऐसे बात कर रही हूँ एंड द शॉपिंग असिस्टेंट इज गिविंग मी ऑल द इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड एवरीथिंग एंड द शॉपिंग असिस्टेंट्स इन सिंगापुर आर आल्सो रियली लवली ओके नन ऑफ देम आर स्नॉबी और लाइक इरिटेटिंग और जस्ट एटीट्यूड तो किसी में भी नहीं है सब बहुत प्यारे बहुत हेल्पफुल है wherever I went window shopping also in Marina I had a very good experience I went inside that sparkling LV store also and I had a very good experience inside LV everywhere I had a good experience so then finally at the store I told Reet come inside and sit down and maybe it will take me a little time you know thoda conversion maths and shifting account money into this money so I was like so finally meet my new office bag meet Bonnie this is the large Bonnie tote from Prada it is perfect you guys like this I didn't even send a picture to anybody I just sent it to Pooja was like le le and I was just like I told her I was like देख bro zip है जगह है बैग का कलर मस्त है कॉफी ब्रांड की ओनर लग रही हूँ मैं ये बैग के साथ एंड प्राइस भी अपने प्राइस में शीज लाइक पेमेंट आई आई वाज लाइक हाँ तो शीज लाइक ले ले that's the only validation I needed from my best friend I didn't even ask Sharon because I knew she would make me like Sharon later when I was billing she's like but is this suiting your personality I was like too late don't ask all these questions you're too late the transaction has been made and I had to transfer a lot of money because this is the end of my trip and हमारा सारा सिंगापुर डॉलर खत्म हो गया इनफैक्ट 350 सिंगापुर डॉलर बचे थे तो मैं रीत को बोली कुछ चॉकलेट वॉकलेट घर के लिए लेना है तो ले लो इज लाइक मेरे घर में कोई चॉकलेट नहीं खाता है तुमको कुछ लेना है तो ले लो 350 में यू नो 350 में कुछ लेना है तो ले लो बोला था उसने बट that was not this is not in 350 for sure just some more zeros after that it's very nice I love it it's a piece I see myself again like I always say with my luxury bags I will pass it down to my kids if they ever want it if I have a daughter if not I think my son can also use if he wants now all things set aside it's practical because इसका जो strap है it goes like ऊपर तक the strap goes अगर आप देखोगे Burberry और LV on the go also उनके straps shoulder पे नहीं जाते हैं उनके straps ऐसे पकड़ने पड़ते हैं या तो आपको लंबी क्रॉस बॉडी में ऐसा पकड़ना पड़ता है which is very impractical for a tote bag in my opinion so this is practical it's got like this security lock over here so double security तो they know इटली में और चोरियां बहुत होती है तो इटालियन ब्रांड है तो उन्होंने उनकी कंट्री के हिसाब से ही बनाया है कि चोरी ना हो इस बैग में से बिकॉज बैग चोरी हो जाए तो ठीक है बट बैग में से चोरी ना हो बैग भी नहीं चोरी होना इटली तो लेके नहीं जाऊंगी ये बैग चोर भरे सब और ये जिप भी है अंदर और ये सिक्योरिटी लॉक भी है so you can strap your buckles together then inside this is now already become my office bag so then my samples are inside my supplements are there my laptop everything fits really nice it's dark brown in color it comes in black and a beige also black also looked very sexy but again I don't want a black bag because everyone would have a black bag I think brown suits my personality really nicely and it's something I am seeing myself carry now in my 20s but I will carry it in my 30s also if I want to and inside there's a zip again for like safety reasons they have another zip also so I think practicality wise it ticked all my boxes space भी है सब सामान भी आ गया मेरा लैपटॉप मैं एयरपोर्ट पे थी तो मेरे पास लैपटॉप सब था मेरे पास मैंने सब डाल के इसके अंदर देखी और फिर इसको कैरी की मैंने अच्छे से पूरा जांच पड़ताल करके अच्छा 45 मिनट्स लेके ये बैग खरीदा है तो ऐसा नहीं कि इट वाज एन इंपल्सिव डिसीजन इट वाज जस्ट लाइक अ लास्ट मिनट फाइंड दैट ओ माय गॉड फाइनली एंड द हैप्पीनेस आई फेल्ट आफ्टर गेटिंग दिस बैग इज लाइक आई वाज द हैप्पीएस्ट गर्ल ऑन द एयरपोर्ट एंड आई लव्ड दैट दे गिव मी अ नॉन ब्रांडेड बैग लाइक ये बड़े से थैली में आया और व्हाइट बैग था उनके पास ब्रांडेड बैग खत्म हो गए थे तो उसने ऐसा कंसोलेशन में छोटा वाला ब्रांडेड बैग दे दिया और बड़ी व्हाइट थैली में मुझे ये दिया तो आई लव दैट बिकॉज नजर लगती है सब लोग देखेंगे एयरपोर्ट में इतना बड़ा प्राड़ा का बैग लेके जा रही हूँ तो उसने मेरे को सिंपल व्हाइट बैग दिया था तो आई वाज लाइक ग्रेट लाइक आई डोंट वांट एनीवन टू लुक दैट आई हैव बॉट दिस बिग प्राड़ा बैग एंड लुक एट मी लाइक तो आई वाज लाइक नहीं देखना है मुझे दिखाना ही नहीं किसी को ये मेरे लिए मैंने लिया है तो इतना मजा आ रहा था और मैंने ऑलरेडी ऑफिस में यूज भी कर लिया मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा है इसको पहनने लेके जाने आई फील happy when I'm wearing it. I feel like I deserve it, and that is the feeling I want to feel when I'm going to work. So yeah, that was my last purchase, which definitely exceeded the Singapore budget, but you know what, we deserve it. This we will consider as my birthday bag, because my birthday bag was a consolation prize for just getting through 2025. So this is my birthday bag officially. Alright you guys, that is everything I got from Singapore. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget a big thumbs up. For today's video, Sasquatch shout goes to Nikita Taneja. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be part of next video Sasquatch shout out, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also comment down below saying hashtag Sara Squad, and you get a chance to be part of my next video, Sara Squad shout out. I will see you guys very soon in the video. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.